So today we'll be making this Gauntlet style glove. It looks something like this on my arm. Okay, so let's begin. This project, we're going to need a pencil, some scissors, measuring tape, a ruler, some ribbon, pins, tape, some lace, and a sewing machine, and let's begin. Okay, for your pattern, you're going to measure from the tip down to where your elbow meets your other part of your arm, and you're going to put a line here. Now, you're going to measure across your wrist. My wrist was, hold on. My wrist measurement was 6 inches. So, you're going to draw a line of 6 inches across, plus your seam allowance, which will be 6.5. Then you're going to measure your elbow, your middle part from where your elbow and your wrist meet. So mine was from my wrist down to the middle of my arm. So it'd be from the wrist to the middle of your arm, how many inches, and then you draw that line. And then from there, you're going to take your middle of your arm and you're going to measure to here, which will be your bottom line here. So you're going to measure around your arm right here where the elbow meets, then your middle, and then your wrist. So here, this is the bend, this is the middle, and then this is your wrist. And then from there, you're going to measure from here to your wrist how many inches, and from there to there was 4 inches. So you're going to do 4 inches down, and then your wrist, and then the middle of your arm, and where your arm bends. Okay? So I'm going to repeat one more time. Where my arm bends, it is 10 inches. Where my middle is 8 inches. And where my wrist is, it is 6 inches. Now, your wrist and your arm measurement will be different from mine. But if they're the same, well then you should have a pattern that looks like this, okay? From there, you're going to cut 2 from your pattern, from your lace, and then it should look something that looks like this. Sorry. Here, let me bring it up. Something that looks like this. And then you're going to take this edge, and you're going to fold it to this edge, okay? I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Okay, so you're going to place your pins in, and you're going to stop right where your wrist meets. So you're going to sew along the edge, I believe at a 1/2 inch. You're going to sew at a 1/2 inch, right? And I'll show what that looks like in a second. Now you're going to fold over your edge, and you're going to pin this, and then you're going to sew all the way around the bottom of your glove, okay? And then I'll show you what that looks like in a second. It looks like this with a folded edge. Now you're going to fold up your hem here, and you're going to sew it. And now we're going to pull right sides out so we can put our finger ring on it, okay? So I'll show you that looks. Okay, so you're going to cut a piece long enough to be on your finger, and then you're just going to hold it like this, and you're going to sew it. You're going to sew it on underneath your thing, okay? So I'll show you what that looks like in a second. You're going to sew it on, and it'll look something like this. Alright? And then you're done. I'll show you what it looks like on your arm. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. Okay, bye. Okay, so you'll have something like this. Repeat the second steps for your other one, and you'll be done. Okay, bye-bye.